Hello, Rio traders. Hope so. You guys are fine and your trading is going very well. Actually, today in this video, we would discuss completely about XAU USD gold, and we would also figure out the possible positions either for buy, either for sell. Today, Thursday, and tomorrow, Friday, are the most crucial 2 days for the gold, because there's also in this Friday monthly candle would also be closed, and also weekly candles also would be closed. So these 2 weeks, these 2 days are very much I think so that there would be a huge volatility in the market. So today, since from the morning I was not we were not giving the signals in the market. So firstly, we would try our best to figure out the best levels. What are the possible levels for gold for us? Today there's also a lot of huge news in Forex Factory data. You can check it out there. So let's see. Let's firstly we would draw some trend lines on a daily time frame. Actually, I'm a little bit not well, so that's why I would try my best to cover up all the things, whatever the basic things are. So let's start. Firstly, we would draw a trend lines here. So here you guys can see that I have marked 1915 first, second entry at 1834, and third entry was 1798. And I have briefly explained about these three areas, that whenever market tries to break, tries to comes at these areas, market makes a huge engulfing candle. And here you guys can also see that markets touch the trend line, then after that market has made a huge engulfing candle. Then after that, here also market touched this area and market has made a huge engulfing candle. And in my previous video I also mentioned with you guys that it's an unpredictable thing. Maybe that would be a retest, or maybe that would be a breakout. So here you guys can see that market has in previous days, market has break this area. Then after that market is right now again consolidating up and down. So we would also figure it out, but on the daily perspective, it's a possibility that market could go at least 1830 1830 area. It's a possibility. Here we can easily sell the trades. So you have to firstly mark this area. Currently you have to open your notebooks or whatever you have. You have to open a sell limit, or 18 sell limit. You have to open a sell limit at 1832 area. So this would be our first entry. And now what is the second entry, and what are the possible things which we can think, so that either market is going to be upward or downward. On a daily time frame, I have, as I would also, let me zoom, I will also draw one more trend line, which is telling us that market is in a strongly bullish perspective. Here you guys can see that market is almost in a bullish, in a bullish way. So I think so that we should have to look for a buy trades instead of sell trades. And here, if you look at that, market has also break this trend line, and market is now, maybe if market would comes for retest here at 1785. 1785 is the area, best area for buying. So you have to keep it in your mind, the best area for buying gold is 1785 till 1788 range. So this is a range where we can easily buy the market. So if market breaks this area, let's suppose 1778, because maybe sometimes market gives a fake breakout. I will zoom out. So if market breaks this area, 1785, so we would wait till at least 1778, because sometimes market gives fake breakouts in different ways. Because today would be, there would be a huge volatility in the market. So if market breaks this area, then we would look for open a sell trades at 1778, and our target would be at least 1760 at least. 70, this would be our target. 1755 or 1760 is our target. And this is our third entry. So first entry is our selling entry as 1832. Second entry of buy, which is at 1785 area, approximately 1785 till 88 area. So this would be our buying entry. And our third selling entry would be at 1778. This would be our third entry for sell. And now we will also check it out on a 1 hour time frame, that what are the possible figures where we should have to look at very carefully. And if you look at on a 1 hour time frame, the things would be little bit different. Today actually morning in I was trying to give the sell trade, but I was just checking out that let it run market, because sometimes have a no trade is more better than have a trade. So that's why if you look at on a 1 hour time frame, as I mentioned that I have opened a 1 hour time frame, so you guys would see that if you would draw a trend line from here, suppose, so you would see that market has, and previously I will also give you further things. You guys can see that market has touched this area, market has made a double bottom, then after that market moves towards the upside, and again market tests this area 1768, then market takes a support, again market moves upward, then again market retest this area 1778. So that's why I was mentioning 1778 is the area where if market breaks this area, then we would look for a sell trade. Then again market test this area 1785, so this would be our buying entry 1785 to 1788. Then after that market moves towards upside, then after that when market falls, market breaks this area and market retests, then after that again market breaks this area. And now 1794, the for scalpers now I am giving the some scalping entries to you guys. So where you guys have to look for a buy for scalpers. If you are a scalper, if you are a good scalper, if you are not holding your trades for long, then this would be our smallest good boy trade 1795 or 1794, because here you guys can see that market firstly breaks this area, then again market comes for retest, then again market tries to fall, but here market has again made a double bottom, then again market moves towards upside, and market also break this area, and then market retest it at 1795, then again market shoots towards upside and market touches our trend line of h1 1804, and now again market is trying to fall. So here we would also just figure it out, we would just check it out the market, that at what position market is going to move, and either it would be downward or upward. So if you are new in trading, so you should not have to enter the market. And I will also give you one good news to you guys. From 1st of November we are starting our classes session. So if you guys want to learn some basics and some complicated things about forex, some we would also in that classes, those classes we would also learn about trend lines, how to draw this, we would also check it out indicators, we would also check it out moving averages, and we would also check it out each and every essential thing for trading. So I hope so that you guys would love it. And if you guys have any problem regarding trade, you guys can ask from me. I'm Sulaiman Khan Yazi. You can contact in our telegram channels and you can find out there to me, or you can even you can contact to our admin Vivek, and you can ask from him that I want to talk to Sulaiman, so he will tell you guys. So if you guys have any problem, I hope so that you have learned a lot in this video, and I hope so that you have a good day and also you have a good weekend. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.